Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make these liquid shaker DIY pens and liquid shaker keychain charm hanging. This is very unique idea to gift it to someone. And can you see this liquid inside the bottle? This is a special liquid which is used to create these kind of liquid shaker projects. So without any delay, let's start with procedure. Here are my beautiful pen sets from Dress My Craft. This is the newly released pen set and you will get in 4 different shades: golden, rainbow, aqua blue and blush pink color. And these pens called DIY blush pen. So here you will get this acrylic tube to fill anything inside this to make the shaker. And to fill the liquid thing we need this crystal clear oil by Dress My Craft. Okay, so I will just share how to do the beautiful shaker thing. Here I am taking my pink color pen and in the bottom you just need to rotate it to take out the nib, and it's working nib. You can change also the refill from inside. Now I'm just opening it slowly and you will get this golden ring just for the decoration, so keep it aside. And then inside this bottom part you will get the rubber knob to close our shaker thing, so keep it aside as well. And to change the refill you just need to tap the refill on your hand and you can easily change the refill. Now this is the acrylic tube inside which I am going to add my shaker things, and it is very fun activity to do, very time saving and last minute gift idea. So since my pen color is pink, so I am taking different shaker elements in pink color. So you can use sequences, you can use shaker elements, you can use small balls or flower pearls or these type of crunchy sequences or glitter powders. So there are lots of things you can fill the pen with. Also you can use these kind of dry flowers. This is also newly launched by Dress My Craft. These are very teeny mini dry flowers to fill your pens or any other things. So I am just taking out my pink shades just to match with my today's theme. So first gather all the thing which you want to put inside the pen. Then here I have just cut the top part using scissors, and then you just need to open the knob, open this cap and again put back this blue color knob on top of this, and now it's ready to use. And to close this bottle you need to cut the side small knob using scissors, and whenever you want to close the bottle you just need to put this lid. Super easy. Okay, and along with that you also need pointed tweezers. Now I am taking this acrylic tube and first I am going to fill this with some oil, very little, say 3 to 4 drops, and then I am just adding some small heart sequences, some pink and white color flower pearls, adding glitter powder as well. Then using pointed tweezer I am mixing everything very well. You can also use any small stick or needle, long needle to mix everything. I have added some white flower pearls and cleaning my needle using tissue paper, then adding some more hearts. Then I am just separating these flowers into small particles and filling inside the tube. Then adding some more drops of oil and keep continuing this process until you get the desired quantity of the elements inside the tube, and don't overfill everything, or there is marking given on the pen, so you need to put all the things below the marking. Then for the final touch I am adding some more drops of the oil, and till the marking I have just filled the oil. We need little space so that the air can pass easily, and we can see the liquid shaker thing. Now using small piece of tissue paper, just clean the outer edge of the pen, and now I'm taking B6000 glue. Then taking this rubber knob which I have kept aside at the starting, add glue on the edge of this, and then I'm just locking all the shaker things inside this tube. So put the knob and hold it tight, and to keep it in the place I'm just wrapping it using masking tape so that you don't need to hold it. Just apply the masking tape, tighten it and keep it aside for 15 minutes so that it can dry completely. Now 15 minutes are done, so I'm just removing the masking tape. And the liquid shaker pen is ready. Super easy to make and very interesting concept, very unique concept to gift it in upcoming Teachers' Day. Just shake it very well, and now it's ready to attach with our pen. Can you see this, how gorgeous this is looking, and it's completely handmade. Now I'm just putting my golden ring back, and then I'm just fixing my pen in the bottom. Ta-da! Your pen is ready. DIY blush pen is looking very gorgeous, and it's ready to use also. So I will just show you. You can simply rotate the bottom part and you can write anything which you want. So I think this is the perfect idea to gift in the Teachers' Day because it's completely handmade and it is having handmade touch. I'm just in love with this DIY blush pen. Now I'm proceeding to the charm hanging. So here I am taking these kind of glass bottles. So this is also from Dress My Craft. I'm just removing it from package. In one pack you will get 5 bottles. So I'm just taking out one bottle. This is a glass bottle, and on the top you will get the hanging thing with the rubber knob. So inside this I'm going to make the liquid shaker thing. And also I'm taking this glass bulb, which is again by Dress My Craft, along with the knob, just to add some more sequences inside this to decorate the charm. You can also use this as a liquid shaker thing. Then I'm first filling my glass bulb using some blue and white color flower pearls and some blue color sequences. Here I'm making the dry shaker inside the bulb. It means I'm not adding oil. I am simply adding the things, and then I will close the knob using B6000 glue. like this and keep it aside for drying. Now here I am taking some bubblegum accessories by Dress My Craft. They look so gorgeous. It is also having the hangings with this so that you can attach it with any charm decoration. So I'm just taking out the blue color star and leaf just to match with my theme. And now I'm taking the glass bottle, removing the knob and filling it with some blue color sequences, some blue color stars, filling the bottle slowly and gradually using the oil. Then adding some white and blue color flower pearls and mixing everything very well using tweezers. Now I'm just filling my bottle using the oil again and keeping 2 mm gap on the top. For the final touch I am just mixing everything very well using tweezers, and if required I will add some more drops of the oil. Then to secure this I am taking the top cap, adding B6000 glue on the edge, and then I am just fixing it on the bottle. Again keep it aside for drying for at least 15 minutes. And this is done. Now here I am taking this keychain. This is the lobster clasp keychain by Dress My Craft. Taking one silver color jump ring, just open it, passing one belt charm, some bead and star from the jump ring, and just fixing it in one of the chain. Then taking one more jump ring and fixing the leaf. Then taking another jump ring and attaching the dry shaker bulb. And then in the bottom I am taking one more jump ring and fixing it in the bottommost chain of the keychain. And can you see how gorgeous the charm hanging is looking? Very pretty idea of liquid shaker thing, and you can just hang it with your purses or bags. So my both the projects are done, the pen and the keychain, and they are looking absolutely stunning. You can make it for someone special to feel him or her more special. And for the packing I am using the same packaging. I have just covered the base cardstock using some gold mirror cardstock, putting it back in the polythene and then adding my pen inside this. So you can simply gift it to anyone. And I'm sure you will try this before Teachers' Day. Or you can also use this as a return gift in the birthday parties or kitties or any special occasion. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.